Hi guys, let's learn about variables, vectors and data arrays in MathCAD today. Like other computing programming, in MathCAD also variables define constants and create relationships. For example, to define variable x and y, you can follow these steps. Type x followed by colon, or click on the operator toolbars. MathCAD shows the colon as the definition symbol. Type 10 in the empty placeholder to complete the definition for x. Now select variable x along with its value, then press Ctrl C and again Ctrl B to paste. Then select x and replace it with y and value 4.5. Now to evaluate x squared plus yq squared, type as they are and press the equal sign. MathCAD scans a worksheet the same way you read it, left to the right and top to the bottom. This means that a variable or function definition involving a colon affects everything below and to the right of it. To define, MathCAD can do repeated or iterative calculation as easily as individual calculation by using a special variable called a range variable. Range variables take on the range of values such as all the integers from 0 to 10. Type the range variables operators 1, 3, n. And then type the last number 20 instead of n. This tells MathCAD that the last number in the range will be 20. MathCAD shows the range variables as a pair of dots. You can modify the first integer and the second as well. Second will decide the gap between integers. Like there are two variables, range variables I have created, k and t. When I multiply 0.5 with k, it will give a vector of set of vector. Similarly, 1.5 times t square also gives the vector, which is multiplication of 1.5 with t squared. To insert a vector or matrix in MathCAD, follow these steps. Click on either blank space or a math placeholder. Click on Insert Matrix on the Matrix toolbar. A dialog box appears. Choose appropriate number of elements in the text boxes for rows and columns. An array with a blank placeholder appears in your worksheet. Next, fill in the array elements. Simply click in a placeholder and type a number. Use the tab key to move from one placeholder to another. You can change the size of matrix by inserting or deleting rows and columns. You can access all the elements of an array simply by using its variable name, vector or matrix name. First, you should type vector name and insert the subscript operator by clicking on the matrix index toolbar or by typing left square bracket. To access an element of a column vector, enter one number in the subscript. To access an element of a square matrix, enter two numbers separated by a comma. To refer to the ith row and jth column of a matrix M, type M subscript square matrix I, j. By default, origin is 0, 0. Press on the evaluation toolbar to find global definition operator. The global definition of symbol appears, which is like 3 horizontal lines used to change global origin from 0, 0 to 1, 1. Area can be inserted on sheet which can be locked, protected with password. Any operators or variables can be enclosed in this area and can be collapsed to hide content. Any expression or math or variables which is inside this area can be accessed from the formula which is later would be written. That's all about variables, vectors, and matrices for now. Thank you for watching this session. See you on next lesson.